Hello, I am Akshay from iSpark Network. The device is really great with a great price mark of 6,500. But I felt the rear camera must be included in the further models with a 3G support. That's it. Rest of the things about the gadget is great.
Hi, this is Andre from Micromax corporate communications team. I think it's been a great evening today, having about more than 1,050 tweets trending on Twitter, on India Twitter, again to just confirm that, and having about 50 top bloggers in Delhi out here at the same place. I think the evening was amazing and very, thanks to the Media Redefined team to have organized this, good event, and love being a part of it. Thank you.
It was a very nice experience. I would say a very classical example from an online to offline integration. A great response from fellow bloggers and people who are quite dominant on Twitter. A very well meet conducted by Media Redefined team. All the efforts actually went in the favor of the Funbook launch. Thank you.
Felt great, felt younger, vibrant, energized. Lot of positive feedback, lots of things to take home. A very interesting gathering today.
Should I start? Yeah. It was nice. We saw a full gathering over here, what we tried to maintain, and it was fun. As always, bloggers are always fun. So that's about it. I think it has always been fun with the bloggers because they are techie guys, and we gel more with these sort of techie guys. Yeah. Honor, you want to say something?
Yeah, Andre!
Come on, man.
Hi, my name is Paras. Today I'm here for Micromax tablet launch, and this tablet device, Funbook, is a really wonderful device launched by Micromax. And the very good feature of this device I like most about is educational tie-ups with several companies, organizations, and ICS, of course. I wish there is more to come out in terms of features in future. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sushen Jamal from techtable.com. I'm doing engineering from MIT School of Engineering and Technology, and I am part-time blogger. Actually, one thing which is like most about this tablet is it's very light in weight, and the screen, I'm not very much satisfied with the screen, but I think in 6,500 it's a best anyone can get. So thank you for the event.
I checked this device and its grip is better than any other devices under budget 10,000. But I think it seems to be there.
Hello, I'm Arpit and I'm from blogtechnica.com, and it's my first time here. It's a heartwarming experience, so thank you for having me. I had some minutes with the device. It definitely looks a very, very sulky device for the price quoted. 6.25K is really, really awesome. And for the sort of target audience, that is the students, I think it's great that we're finally moving towards e-learning. And I guess that for me was the best part about it. And another thing is probably having ICS here. It's really, really heartwarming to see ICS 4.0 on a device working very well. So all the best for Microsoft for it.
Hi, this is Shan from shanheather.com, and it's a great event. Like I've met lots of my friends here, and this device is a good one. At 6.5K, you can't get anything better than this. 1.2 GHz processor, and everything is good. Just a bit. What I didn't like is the design. That's all. Otherwise, it's a good one.
Harsh from shoutmillout.com, and I just played with the new Micromax Funbook. Well, the best part about this device is 6.2K. It's like a steal. If you're planning to buy Akash or any other cheap tablet, you should just ignore it. Buy this one. It's worth each and every penny.
Hi, I'm Kalpik. I am a software engineer by profession, and I just came to this meet to check out this new tablet Micromax has launched. And I think it's a very decent tablet for the price it has. Thanks for inviting me.
I'm Kinshak. I'm a game developer by profession, and I cover technology and gadgets for Hindustan Times. I came to this bloggers meetup for the launch of Micromax Funbook. Got to see the device, a very fun device, and got to meet a lot of other bloggers, and it has been a totally fun experience. Thanks for having me here.
Hi, my name is Pranav. I'm here at the Funbook meet. So I've come with my sister who has a blog. I don't have a blog, but I quite like the product. I'm an avid gamer. I'm interested in looking at the 20 games that they have to offer. The interface is really good. I was really expecting a lot out of this, and it's actually met my expectations. Especially it being very, very sleek. That's really good.
Hey, I'm Meera, and having a great time at the Micromax Funbook meet. I really liked the experience with the tablet, and what I liked best was that it seems to be well targeted to a specific group, and they know who their audience is and who they're targeting. And I like the touch interface. I think it's really sleek, and the pricing is amazing. Yeah.
Basically, I'm an engineering student and a blogger. I write at techexclusive.com. About the Funbook, the thing I liked much is, as a student, I'd say the courses that are being offered. It is much of a compiled thing of different courses and stuff, which makes it different from the whole other Android tablets in the market. Also the price tag, I mean at the 6,499 tag, I don't think there is even an Android phone for that range. So well, a victory for Funbook.
Rahul Gupta from the Mobile Indian, and I would say this is a perfect platform for us guys to come and meet with the fellow bloggers and guys who do content for the website. And we would definitely like more and more manufacturers and device manufacturers to come up with such events. It's a great platform.
From Phone Arena, and I'm actually quite impressed by the tablet which we have here. It's got a breakthrough price of 6K, and I think what's actually going to sell the tablet is the content partnership. Because I mean the hardware is pretty decent for the price, but the partnerships which Micromax has for all the content with Vritti for educational content, that is really impressive. So yeah, I'm quite happy with the device.
Okay. Hi, I'm Anupam from Media Nama, and we're having a fun time here at the Funbook launch. And Funbook is a fun tablet, yeah. And I think launching a tablet with the latest specs and the latest apps at this price is really a good deal. All right, thanks. Cool. Wish you all the best.
While I'm Abhishek Bakshi, while everybody would mention price and affordability as a striking point and a feel-good factor that it's made in India, I think the content partners is what makes it exciting. Hungama for entertainment, Big Flix for movies, and also Pearson and Everon for education content. So I think content is the big win in this Funbook.
Hi, I'm Rohit Khurana from Technics Media. Something which I really liked about the Micromax Funbook is that it's a very affordable tablet which really will enable a lot of students as well as aspiring buyers who may not be able to buy a 20,000-30,000 rupees high-end tablet. They can now get access to the whole new world of consuming information on the move with the latest software of Android, millions of applications which are there, as well as the hardware. Besides being a very competitively priced tablet, the hardware is really phenomenal for this Funbook. I wish Micromax all the best for the Funbook. Thank you.
From Technics Media. I just have my hands on Micromax latest tablet Funbook. It is good to have tablet, one of the cheapest tablet in India, which is running Android, the latest version of Android. It gives a good browsing experience to me. That's it.
This is Rohit Jain from techonmind.com, and the most amazing thing about the device is its USP. The Android ICS 4.0 running at a price tag of 6,499. It's very impressive. And
hello, I'm Surur from whatthetech.com. The event was very good. The tablet is quite competitive, and it will be very effective in the market. And for students, I think it will be a good choice. Thanks.
Jen from djupdates.com. Like the device is very cool. Costed at 6500, will capture the Indian market very soon, and it's much better. Like the features, like the processor and the resolution screen is too good. Must buy for you.
And I'm from TechClub.com, a technology news website, and I'm impressed with Micromax Funbook. I think it's best on this price, 6,499. I'm impressed totally.
Hello, this is Rahul from Technoria. The device is good. Hello, this is Rahul from Technoria. Actually, the device is good and screen resolution and touch is very good. But I feel that 3G and rear camera is missing. And let's see what it does when it reaches market.
Hi, this is Amit Sharma from PCMastera.com. According to me, at the basic price, that's a good device. And I would like to see much better configuration in the upgraded version if there's any. So that's all. Thanks.
Hi, is it good? Hi, this is Himanshu Gupta from TechM.com. The device is great. At the price point of 6.5K, it's really a great device, and the screen, the touch is amazing, which was something I was skeptical about. And it would be great to see them in the market. Let's see how it goes.